The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 98630
Hapdeng ke jingdon ke shongs harilom garo kebalami na kanat omsnam nama kecing pakhang gi bomde rulum ban shimbanta pa di aireng haki election MDC Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kata da ke hapan say Sernot Scheduled Tribe ke Constitutional Right Forum hak hatnyo trek ulber aja penrio kelawan ban yakran bu ulat ke jela UCH Bijaya Shankar kani kecingwan yakran galongon pak tuklar ulat bandan cingedai ki hok riti dustor bat sensyar khadar ki acek katkum ke khrenet banrio bat artikel arspa arpsau hapo bracket r ke riti sensyar kri India Ushiba Sangma General Secretary ke Constitutional Right Forum ulang ba kenhon ke kren bulan halo jinglong jingman rilum karo bat airu u dak jingtho Hakador khas ke badawa bandan cingedai ke sensyar khadar dalade ki karo katkum ki riti dustor bat kolsha kerkom ciet bat hok halo khendau ka siam ke forum kalaong ba ke GHADC kalong ban yadai ke hok ak sanyima ke sensyar bat kolsha jing riulum karo lam ki bor ki ikhtiar halo ke klau ki ain riti dustor ke yo ke kot bat emlang salang bat kiwe ki bapen skam jing itu ya ki karo Shushu ka forum ka penpau ka ching sokya halor ka omsnam badang shuja shen ka ching kentop ig bomde rulom ban rong hagi electoral roll ka GHADC ka ching shim bantai kun election gi bomde rulom ba ka ching ya ai bat de chaka shi bomde rulom hagi chaka thor ka rilom garo.
And today we are here to meet the governor of our state relating the issues of Garo Hills like GHADC ongoing situation. We put some points to talk with governor relating some issues we wrote here. Let me write some of the points that we tabled before the governor. Participation of non-tribal persons in the electoral structure of the district council, inclusion of non-tribal individuals in electoral roll used for district council election, potential alienation of non-tribal land through transfer of patas to non-tribal persons, absence of strict regulatory safeguards preventing transfer of land in plain belt areas of non-tribal individuals, and our proposed safeguards, restriction of electoral candidature. Only person belonging to the scheduled tribe community, scheduled tribe Garo community should be permitted to contest elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and that there must be some requirements. Bona fide citizenship candidate contesting election to the GDC should be bona fide citizens of Meghalaya or persons born within the state, ensuring genuine representations of the indigenous population. Special intensive revision of electoral roll and SIR, deletion of non-tribal names from electoral roll, and restrictions of transfer of land patas held by non-tribals. And are some points: prohibitions of sale of tribal land to non-tribals. Appropriate legal safeguards may be introduced to ensure that no tribal landholders may sell land to non-tribals. These are the points that we discussed with the governor of the state. The response is he is also willing to do the things what we have tabled today, but he advised us that this should be in a proper manner, which means this memorandum should be placed before GDC and then to the Legislative Assembly, and then only the process will happen. Actually not supposed to be, but it is not in our hand, because the conditions of this Garo Hills is not the way supposed to be organized this election. But let's hope for the best.
Habatin, pej bahagi Kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.